Gender Discrimination and Preconception and Prenatal Diagnostic Techniques Act Pc-Pndt Act ki Matangda ngasi Little Flower School Imphal da nomagi oiba sensitization program ama Pangthokhre. Thoram adu Directorate of Family Welfare Services Manipur, Little Flower School Imphal gi Past Pupils Association amadi State Pc-Pndt Cell ga punna sinduna Pangthokpani. Thoram adu the State Appropriate Authority Pc-Pndt ki Chairman amadi Directorate of Family Welfare Services ki Joint Director Dr. Irenbam Sonia, State Nodal Officer Pc-Pndt Dr. Sujata Huidrom, School asigi Headmistress Mercy Gangmai amadi Past Pupils Association gi members sing galoinana School asigi oza amadi mahiro sing nasaru yaki.
The discrimination against girl child still exists in many parts of our country, and it is our shared responsibility to change this mindset. As students of this esteemed institution, you are the future. Let us pledge to respect every life, spread awareness, and stand for gender equality.